Alright, what's going on? What's going on? Quick, short little clip today. Shorting the NASDAQ. Let's see. What time is this? It's around 8:30. 8:30 timeline. So I was expecting prices to go lower all week, but they didn't start to decline until the end of the week. So I was kind of going against the grain by trying to short the market all week. I still pulled off some successful trades, but when you're going against the grain or going against the higher time frames bias or higher time frames direction, you tend to absorb more losing trades. So you can see right there on the left hand side of the screen, I took a loss there. So then I got into contracts short, just aiming for a super easy objective because I already took a loss on the day. So I'm not looking for any huge expansions. I'm just looking for a nice easy setup, like a bread and butter trade to really just to like get back my loss and then make some on top of that. So on the right hand side of the screen on the 3-minute chart, you can see the relative equal lows inside of the inefficiency. The green box, the inefficiency, it's on a higher time frame. I think that's a 10-minute inefficiency. That's why it's kind of hard to trade with just one screen, because you can only look at 2 time frames at the same time. And when I have my other screen, like back home, I'm able to look at 4. So I can look at like a daily chart, a 4-hour chart, a 15-minute chart, and a 1-minute chart, and I can just switch the 15-minute to the 5-minute, and then pretty much from there I have like most of everything. I mean, those are it's like mostly everything that I need there. So 8:30 news driver, I was pretty sketched out here. It's not very good to be in positions before like big opens like this, like 8:30. They had just taken buy side like one too many times. Take a bad partial here, but I had already lost one trade for the day, so I was trading pretty strict. But since it touched the top of that inefficiency, I took a partial. There's a way, not on TradingView but on other trading platforms, where you can like set multiple limit orders for the different contracts. But right now I'm just aiming for the bottom of the inefficiency to be hit and take out those relative equal lows, just for like a nice easy trade. Here I am reducing risk. Already took a loss of the day. Don't want to take anything big again, because it's the 8:30 open. It can be chaotic. But yeah, that was it. Pretty easy target, pretty quick trade. This was Thursday. I ended up taking another trade on Friday. I didn't record it though. I should have, because it was good. It was a nice one. Still though, just getting the reps at like reducing my risk, managing my risk, like making sure I don't overtrade. Like I already took a loss. If I took a loss on this one and then took another trade after that, that's called overtrading. That's like you're just asking to lose more money on the day. Then it's gonna swap over to another clip right now, and I'm gonna show you guys a targeting method I use, well, that ICT teaches and I use. So if you pull your fib out, those like bunch of colored lines, and you measure a run from top from bottom to the top. And then you find your halfway mark, which is the blue line. That's 50% of the whole entire run. And if you find liquidity there, like relative equal lows that you see on the left hand side, you see that price traded right to the 50% mark of that long leg. When I say leg, it's like a long run. 50% mark, there's relative equal lows sitting there, so price went all the way down there shortly after the 8:30 open. And after that, it continued to rise. So even when you're not in sync with the higher time frame bias, you can still catch trades. It's just a little bit more risky. So you can see there, its reaction off the halfway point, starting to build back up into that big inefficiency it created. Yeah, that's it. That's just one of the targeting strategies I could use. I honestly didn't measure it out. This trade, I was just going for the lower, easier objective because I took a losing trade. But as you can see there, the logic I've learned just keeps on repeating, which is motivating for me to keep on saying that. Rule number 1, fuck a B, let's get to the cheese. But yes sir, that's it. Peace out.